bura ma pacho ka od bura mamalo duogo e wang'e kendo chako chenro mage bang' yweyo ma dweche ariyo. Jood bura ne odhi nyime kod twak ka e kindeno bende komiti mar od bura mochung' ne rango weche mag somo ne oketo tesre duol mandiko jopuonje tich TSC mondo mi oler moko kuom ng'ur ma osebedo e sekta mar somo. Komitino ne okundo jodito mag TSC ka otelnegi kod Nancy Macharia kod penjo ewi lai ma itiyo godo e ndiko jopuonje tich, medo gi lemo kaachiel kod loko jopuonj e kind chenro mamoko.
Good morning, my name is oyudo.
Bang' od bura yawa yange tielo mar ariyo, kamiti mopogore opogore noyudo thuolo mar bet kendo chako chenro margi. Jakom kamiti mar od bura mochung' ne somo Julius Meli oketo jatatije duol mar ndiko jopuonje tich TSC Nancy Macharia e kod penjo ka gidwaro lere wi kambi mar Minet mane omiyo rak mar chwalo okumba mar thieth ne jotich timore kaluwore kod ywak ma jood burago wacho ni jopuonj kalie e kinde mag dhi e ute mag thieth.
So why are you actually charging these teachers extra? Actually, I think that is actually something which is not good in this contract, among many others that we shall see in the main contract. Two, we have this very important issue of hospitals. That one group of hospitals are trying to elbow everybody out so that they remain alone in the scheme.
How come when it comes to inpatient, the teachers are considered differently when it comes to payment? And just a teacher like another teacher.
One time to the police hospital, and when I was there, I was told that I can only come back after 7 days.
The medical allowance was also segregating, and you know this was a conversion from the medical allowance that was being paid. So the lower job group teachers were earning less, the higher job group teachers were earning more. So we have just moved along the same lines.
Jaod bura masea Christine Mbaka kod nyawadgi Makibra Mwalimu Rero kanyakla kod Nabina Bwera Malugari e duto thung'o commissioners mag TSC kod penjo mag ndiko jopuonje tich magikonyo timo mibadhi.
My question is, who does the assessment of teachers to enable you to know that he qualifies for promotion? Who does that?
What is in place for promotion of serving TSC officers from the sub-county, county, up to national? Because I see some lot of stagnation and demotivation.
Generally speaking, just give us 2 billion every financial year to promote teachers, and this issue of stagnation will go. Chair, the last time we received money for promotion was in 2011.
Jood burago wacho ni TSC okosetimo ratire ke jopuonj to kod loko jopuonj skunde e kendo kata mana chudo mar balang' ni jopuonj matiyo kuonde mangima oridore bende osachgi okosemedi kata matin.
In my constituency, 28 primary schools do not have substantive head teachers.
If you are recruiting for Northeastern, for example, or for Kakamega, the teacher who is recruited under affirmative action should actually not come and to ask us for the localization. That one should be very clear. And two, the Teacher Service Commission to tell us that this policy will end in this period. For example, if you recruit teachers for Kakamega, the shortage is 6,000.
If you are recruiting equal numbers to areas that do not need these teachers, then you're telling us that you are posting them to the other areas. Have you solved the unemployment issue in those other areas where you're posting them?
The mapping process of these teachers is ongoing, but as of today, as we were coming, we have identified 10,833 teachers to teach in JSS, those teachers in primary school who have the requisite grades.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.